in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your monitor orientation between landscape or portrait mode on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Windows icon or Start button, and then select Settings. Best result, you'll come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, select Display. And then you want to go down and select where it says display orientation. You click the drop down and select either landscape or portrait mode, assuming your system supports it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.